Okay, I'll show you a very exciting project today, and so okay, let's have a background information about this. So this is a normal media application which running with Iron Router. You know, it's behind this. It's Clara.io. It's behind running with Telescope media application. Okay, so now we are on a page. So in the home page, so the old subscription has been loaded. So if you go into the another page, you can see the loading. The page is been loading. The new subscription now coming, and you can render the page working pretty okay. Now if you're going back to the previous page, you can see again all the data will be subscribing. So now the service sending all the data after that. So we already had that data, but it's keeping sending again because we between pages, so we are unsubscribing previous subscriptions and the new subscription are subscribing. So this is the problem in two. There are two problems with this one. Number one is there's a bandwidth. So a lot of bandwidth can be wasted because of this one. Another thing is user experience. So if you're going back to pairing, you have to wait few times because there's a loading process. Okay, there's a fix fortunately for this one. I have not decided a name for the project, so I'll show you that one. So I have used a subscription manager. You can see on this page. So this is normally works like the loading. You can see it takes some times, right? So now I'm going back to this page. Okay, good. So now going to the top page, there is no loading process. You are not subscribing again, so you just keep your subscription behind like this, and you can go to another page, this one. So it's loading. You can go to this one, you can back and forth, so there is nothing happens. Okay, then I come to the third one. You can see subscribing. Okay, loading. If you go to this one is again loading because I have limited that only 2 pages will be cached here. Subscription are cached only for the 2 pages. So this is the new project, subscription manager. I think this will be a really good project and very useful for, so you can save the bandwidth and you can save the users from their user experience at the same time. Okay, right, so this is how this works. So you don't have to do much hard work, just you can use the same code and just keeping change a few lines, you can use this one. Okay, I open this one today. So I'm having the router.js for this project. And so first you need to create a subscription manager object. I name it as sub manager. Okay, then let's see how I use this on the top page, this page, how I use that one, this page. All right, so you need to add a subscription rather than media.subscribe. You have to add a subscription to the subscription manager post list, all the parameters you are normally sending to the subscription. And after that, I'm saying don't expire. The home page is not expiring, so it will be keep forever all the time with the your session. I had these two subscription don't expire, and at the end I'm saying subscription manager submanager.run, and I'm returning that subscription. So it just work as you expected, and it's working, right? If you go to the page, the single page that you use in the actually with the comments, so you can see I'm adding as I already told you, and I'm limiting for two only. Only two subscription for this single post publication will be access on the client, cache on the client, and then expire in 1 minute. So even if you are loading that one, so it will be expire in 1 minute. So it will be really good for the performance wise, or not performance, actually the bandwidth wise, and you can kill subscription manager. Actually, this is the project. I think this is very simple to use, but I have not finalized the API, and I have not written any test, and so I'm not ready to release it today. But I just want to show you this is the new project I'm working on. I have to do some other works for the fast render, and there are some bugs I have to fix. After that, I can work on this project. So if you have a good name for this project, please let me know. Okay.